Pioneers. When Pi starts appearing in conversations around international finance, one question immediately rises: coincidence, connection, or simply market data? This is Pi News World, where we follow the signals carefully, question the claims, and uncover what the evidence really tells us. A new development is now attracting attention within the Pi network community, involving Pi Network, Sidrabank, and the financial technology environment in Qatar. The reason this is creating discussion is the appearance of real-time CEX market prices on an international digital financial trading platform operating in Qatar. For many pioneers, this immediately raises curiosity. Could this have anything to do with Pi Network? Or are we looking at two completely separate developments happening at the same time? That is the key question. When a financial platform displays digital asset market information, people naturally begin searching for possible connections. And when Pi Network is part of that conversation, the community becomes even more interested because of Pi's growing focus on creating a broader digital economy. However, we need to make one thing very clear. A displayed market price does not automatically prove an official partnership, integration, or endorsement by Pi Network. There could be different explanations for the information appearing on the platform. It could come from a market data provider, an external feed, an independent integration, a testing environment, or another technical source. That is why screenshots alone should not be treated as final evidence. The important question is whether there is official, verifiable confirmation showing a direct relationship between Pi Network and the platform. This is where pioneers need to be especially careful. The Pi ecosystem has attracted a huge amount of attention, and whenever a new platform displays Pi-related information, speculation can spread extremely quickly. One person sees a price. Another person sees a possible listing. Someone else immediately announces a partnership. But these are three completely different things. A price being displayed is not necessarily a listing. A listing is not necessarily a partnership. And a partnership should be confirmed through reliable official sources. That distinction can protect pioneers from misinformation and unnecessary financial risks. At the same time, the development is still worth observing. If financial platforms in international markets are increasingly displaying or discussing Pi-related market information, it could show that there is growing interest in the wider Pi ecosystem. It could also encourage the community to pay closer attention to how digital asset markets are evolving internationally and whether Pi eventually becomes connected to more legitimate financial infrastructure. But interest alone is not confirmation. For now, the most responsible approach is to watch, investigate, and verify. If Pi Network or the organizations involved officially confirm a relationship, then we would have a much stronger basis for understanding what is actually happening. Until then, this remains an interesting development, and possibly a coincidence that deserves further observation. So, what do you think? Are we looking at an early signal of something bigger, or simply unrelated financial data appearing at the same time? Whatever the answer may be, one thing is certain. Pioneers should never allow excitement to move faster than evidence. Keep watching the official channels, examine the information carefully, and avoid taking action based solely on unverified claims. Because in the world of digital finance, what appears on a screen is only the beginning of the investigation, not necessarily the final answer. Pioneers, the question now is simple. What should we watch for next? This is Pi News World, where we follow the signals, question the claims, and let the evidence speak. The appearance of Pi-related market information within an international financial environment has created major curiosity. But before calling it a listing, integration, or partnership, we need stronger evidence. A displayed price does not necessarily mean that Pi is officially supported by the platform. The information could come from an external market data provider, a technical feed, a testing environment, or an independent integration. So what would provide real confirmation? We should look for official announcements, actual trading functionality, technical details, or direct confirmation from the organizations involved. This distinction is extremely important. A price is not automatically a listing. A listing is not automatically a partnership. And a partnership should be confirmed by reliable official sources. At the same time, this development remains worth watching. If more international financial platforms begin displaying or discussing Pi, it could indicate growing interest in the wider Pi ecosystem. But interest alone is not adoption. The next steps will tell us much more. Will the information remain visible? Will trading functionality appear? Will the platform explain the source of the data? Will Pi Network officially respond? And could another announcement soon reveal information that the community does not yet know? Those answers could turn speculation into something much more meaningful. For now, pioneers should remain patient and avoid making financial decisions based on unverified screenshots or social media claims. Maybe this is an early signal of something bigger. Maybe it is simply market data. Or maybe the developments are completely unrelated. We should keep every possibility open until stronger evidence arrives. Remember, excitement can spread quickly, but confirmation takes evidence. Keep watching the official channels, verify every claim, and never let speculation move faster than reality. If new information appears, the most important thing will be checking whether it comes from an official and verifiable source. Because in digital finance, one confirmed announcement can change the entire conversation. This is Pi News World, following the signal, questioning the claim, and waiting for the evidence. Stay alert, stay patient, verify everything.